I believe it's crucial to find the perfect balance between performance, reliability, and cost effectiveness. With that in mind, I made some specific decisions to ensure we build a powerful and efficient and high quality PC without breaking the bank. My goal was to find the sweet spot between overall build quality, budget, and maximizing the frame rate. After careful research, I decided to go with the Ryzen 5 3600. Yes, I know, it's 2 generations old, but it's still a fantastic processor. Plus, it costs €70 less than the newer Ryzen 5 5600. I was able to use those savings to upgrade the GPU, which made a significant impact on the achievable frame rate. The €70 that I was able to save on the processor I spent on the GPU. Previously, I was thinking about the AMD Radeon RX 6600, and now I was able to get the RX 6600 XT. By reallocating the budget, I was able to spend the same amount of money and get a significant boost in performance. The 6600 XT allows us to crank up those graphic settings and enjoy smooth gameplay without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about the case I chose for this PC build, the Be Quiet Pure Base 500. It offers a perfect balance of features, affordability, and functionality. One of the main reasons I chose this case is because it provides ample space for our components. Another great thing about the Be Quiet Pure Base 500 is its price. At around €75, it doesn't break the bank, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. The Be Quiet Pure Base 500 also comes with 2 pre-installed 140mm fans, which is fantastic for providing initial airflow and keeping the system cool. But we wanted to take it a step further and enhance the airflow even more. To achieve this, I decided to add 2 Arctic P12 fans to the setup. These come at about €7 each, and they are 120mm in size and are, of course, known for their excellent performance and airflow. Speaking about cooling, since the Ryzen 5 3600 has a high overclocking potential, I wanted to make sure we had efficient CPU cooling. That's why I decided to go with the Be Quiet Pure Rock 2 tower fan. Its powerful cooling capabilities will keep the CPU running smoothly even under heavy loads, especially when overclocked. I will provide you with further information on the decisions in the description below. As I can speak all day long about hardware, I rather quit here. Thank you for watching, see ya und bis demnächst.